In this video, we will go through the ACE Site Manager module, which is used to manage and execute projects received from the sales team. Click on the ACE Site Manager module. Under the Project tab, select Project Groups, where all released projects are listed. From the project list, assign an FOD person, who is responsible for handling the project. Click on the Edit button, select the FOD from the drop-down, and save the details. Once assigned, select the project and click on the Next button to proceed. Click on the plus icon to expand the project. You will see that the project status is initially not scheduled. Change the status to scheduled so that the project becomes active and is available in the site app. Once scheduled, you can manage and update project activities through the mobile app. Under the Project Documents section, you can upload design documents and other related files. Select the document type, choose the site category, and upload the file from your system. Enter a file name and click on the Upload button. You can upload multiple documents for the project. All uploaded files will display details such as document name, type, uploaded by, and upload date. These documents can be accessed anytime for future reference. Under the Approved Specifications report, you can view all finalized project specifications. These details are displayed in a structured format across multiple pages. Under the Reports tab, we can see the F10 report and the F10 work order report. In the F10 report, click on the Download button to view the details. This report includes information such as organization name, opportunity name, site details, and overall project information. Once we have checked these reports and scheduled the project status, we can proceed to view all activities. Under the Templates section, click on the Display button. Based on the selected template, the system generates a plan with stage-wise and date-wise activities. All activities selected for that template are displayed here. You can also view uploaded photos and videos. Check all added notes. Once activities are updated from the site app, the system captures planned dates, actual start date, actual end date. These details are reflected here. Under the listing view, you can see the project name along with its current status. Under the installation group, you can view installed project details such as project name and project start date. Under the joint visit date, any changes made after visiting the site, such as updated specifications, are recorded and displayed here. Now, we will check the activities from the site app. After opening the site app, log in using your credentials. From the navigation menu, you can access Home, Download Project, Timesheet, Other options. For now, click on Download Project. Search for the required project name. Once the project appears, select it and download it. After downloading, open the project to view all activities. All activities are displayed based on the selected template. Each activity has a status: P, pending, WIP, work in progress, C, completed. Initially, all activities are in pending status. When work begins, change the status to WIP, which captures the start date. Once the activity is completed, change the status to C, which captures the end date. You can add notes for each activity. Click on Save to store the notes. To upload images, click on the Camera button and capture or select photos. To upload videos, click on the Video button and record or select a video. Once uploaded, these files are saved with the activity. After completing all activities and updating their status, click on the Upload button and confirm. All data will be uploaded successfully and synced with the system. If you need to update project specifications after visiting the site, click on the PS button. You can modify values such as layout and actual measurements. After making changes, click on Upload to save the updated specifications. You can repeat this process for multiple projects. Now, moving to the ERP system, open the scheduled project. Under the Joint Visit section, you can see updated specifications, previous and current values, visit date, name of the user who made the changes, contract and activity details. Expand the project using the plus button. Here, you can view contract dates, activities updated from the site app. Completed activities are highlighted in green. You can also view notes. Check uploaded photos and videos using the camera icon. The system displays planned dates, system-generated, actual start and end dates, based on activity updates. Go to the Reports tab and click on List Reports. Here, you can access reports such as F10 Report, Site App Activity Log, Select the required report and export it using the To Excel option. The activity log report shows project stage, activity details, planned and actual dates, user who made the updates. You can also view analytical reports, such as stage-wise analysis. Under the dashboard, you can view a summary of project performance. It includes purchase requests, purchase orders, goods receipt notes, units handed over. The dashboard also includes visual charts. Pie chart shows project status distribution. Line chart shows monthly progress. Bar chart shows branch-wise performance. This is the complete workflow of the ACE Site Manager module. It allows you to manage projects efficiently by tracking